Welcome to Baluchi Zone. Today's video is about Rakhshani Balochi. It's a subject that I've been looking into for a while. When we talk about Rakhshani Balochi, we are thinking Western Balochistan, or as is known to some as Western Baluchi, a concept coined by Joseph Elfbein, a pioneering linguist known for his work on Baluchi language. Elfbein divides Rakhshani Balochi into three sections. We have Kalati, which is from Las Bella to Quetta. Then we have Panjguri. Think of Helmand River and Nimruz in Afghanistan. Lastly, we have Sarhadi, which is in the Iranian side of Balochistan. Think of Mir Javeh, Zahedan, and even up to Mari region in Turkmenistan. You might be wondering, can a speaker of Makorani dialect and a Rakhshani one understand one another? The answer is yes, of course they understand one another. The language is Baluchi, but there are some slight differences in dialect and vocabulary. Let us uncover some of the differences. First difference, well, the clue is in the name itself, Rakhshani, or as is known by some, Rakhshani. By the first version, I mean the kh sound. This is a controversial one, but in Makorani dialect you don't have the kh sound. However, it's a different story with Rakhshani. The kh sound is very prevalent in Rakhshani. However, it is only used for loan words from Persian or Arabic. Perhaps it is mostly because they are more closely located to Persian populated areas. The second difference is in the am, as in I am. In Makorani we use a, on when speaking in the first person, whereas in Rakhshani they tend to use on a lot when speaking in the first person. Let's demonstrate. I am John. Man Jona. A Rakhshani person would say Man John on. Man John on. There's also a similar correlation when it comes to past simple and past participle. For example, do, can, doing, kanag, done, kotag. A Rakhshani person would say kortag, did, kot. A Rakhshani person would say court. In short, watch out for did and done. In other words, simple, past tense and past participle. Let's do a couple of sentences. I did this job. I did this job. Man ye kar kot. A Rakhshani speaker would say Man ye kar kort. Man ye kar kort. I have done this job. I have done this job. Man ye kar kotag. Man ye kar kotag. A Rakhshani person would say Man ye kar kortag. Man ye kar kortag. As well as differences in vocabularies, in some regions they tend to use ast instead of hast when it comes to the verb have. For example, I have a car. A Makorani speaker would say Mana gari ye haste. Mana gari haste. A Rakhshani person would say Mana machine ye aste. Mana machine aste. Again, asten is not the case for every Rakhshani region. Certain regions they still use haste. In general, Rakhshani dialect is more Persianized. It is even reflected in the vocabulary used in more populated areas. When it comes to music, Rakhshani know how to do it properly, especially when it comes to folk music. To demonstrate how Persianized this dialect can be, I'll finish this video with one of my favorite Rakhshani folk musicians. Even a Persian speaker can decipher this song. But a Baluch from Liari in Karachi might struggle with this one. I have listed the differences in vocabularies, so enjoy.
مجنون بوتون شتی غمان گردی چونه دیوانه دم کاین لوگاتیا سلما کن چو بگانا گئی مجنون بوتون شتی غمان گردی چونه دیوانه من کاین به لوگاتایی سلما کن چو بگانا گئی شاپوروچگارون تیغاما بیاهل کن تامی مشکلا مرتون تایی خیجالا گوکی بوشین آل دلائی شاپوروچگارون تیغامان بیاهل کن تامی مشکلا مرتون تایی خیجالا گوکی بوشین آل دلائی مجنون بوتونا شتی غمان گردین چونه دیواناگا دام کاین لوگاتیا سلما کن چو بگاناگا ال دام کاین لوگاتیا سلما کن چو بگاناگا دل بیچارگم نگوشی عشق داغان پنهان بکن دل بیچارگم نگوشی عشق نالگه پنهان بکن سینگ مظلوم تنکیا کن تم نگوشی فریاد مکن سینگ مظلوم تنکیا کن تم نگوشی فریاد مکن لبخند کنی عزت تابدار منم از کن شرکی میمان لبخند کنی عزت تابدار منم از کن تایی میمان ساری شما گوت نندن تابا میمون لای آزان لای مجنون شتی غمان گردی چونه دیواناگا دام کاین لوگاتیا سلما کن چو بگاناگا دام کاین